Okay, so partial fraction decomposition, and this is typically when you get a rational expression over here. The partial fractions is probably going to work out pretty well on it. So what I would do here is, I'm going to go to the whiteboard to do it, and I'll go through the steps. All right, so let me put up a whiteboard. Let's go through the steps. The first step is just to rewrite the integrand. And the integrand of the problem, maybe I should write the problem down again. So let's take a look. The problem is an integration, and that integration is an indefinite integral. It's x cubed, x squared plus 9 dx. Now the degree of the top is bigger than the bottom, so I'll do a long division. So we get x squared plus 9, and that's being divided into x cubed. That's rather simple. It just goes in x times. Let's write this down. So it's going to be x cubed plus 9x. You're going to subtract, what do you get? Minus 9x. All right? So this integration here is going to be equal to, well, it's going to be equal to x minus 9x over x squared plus 9 dx. All right? So we got that stage done, and I'm looking at this over here, and it's certainly a simpler problem. For example, the first integration is very easy, and the second integration looks like a u substitution is going to work on it. Let's write this down. So you can get x squared over 2 minus 9 integration x over x squared plus 9 dx. I'm going to do a u substitution on it, and the u will be equal to x squared plus 9. What's du? du is going to be equal to 2x dx. Let's write this down. Keep going for it. This is equal over here. We got x squared over 2 minus 9. Give it a little star over here. And what I notice that x dx is a half of a du. So put it on the side, or outside the integral. And then what I'm going to get 1 du, and on the bottom I just get u. And I'm ready to do this now. What do you get? X squared over 2 minus 9 halves, the natural log, the absolute value of u. Well, what's u? X squared plus 9 plus c. By the way, I can further simplify this because x squared plus 9 is always positive. So I could write this down in a simpler way. ln, I don't need the absolute value symbol on that. I'm going to commit this as an answer. I do want to point out you're doing work. Certainly, at a minimum, I would be looking at the answer key and making sure you're matching the answer key. This is at a minimum. Thank you for paying attention.